My God.
You will be traveling in future a lot. You will come across all these five-star hotel, three-star hotel, seven-star hotel tips. And
Yeah.
are you comfortable booking? Can you tell me any five-star hotels in India?
Maybe the Taj Hotel. But
Taj Commonwealth, Taj is five-star. ITC Chola by Welcome playing hide and seek in the morning. Giant went off.
yeah, I don't know what happens, but whenever I try to join with my laptop, it just does not connect with the audio. Now I have to like switch between the mobiles and the laptop.
Now you are talking with a mobile phone or laptop.
With the mobile.
Nice background.
Oh, thank you. We just were done very recently, just yesterday.
Nice. That's good. Is it a wallpaper or is
Yes,
it a painting?
it's a
Wallpaper.
wallpaper.
You like it.
Yeah.
There's an English word, they will wallpaper me, or they will consider me as a wallpaper. The press, the media will consider me as a wallpaper. You know
Hmm.
what is the meaning of that? It's a nice English word.
Yeah, it's nice,
Yeah.
but I don't know.
Yeah, the meaning is they will feel that the president, some higher officers, if they're telling that the media or the politicians or the government, they will consider me as a wallpaper means useless. Because wallpaper you can change every time when you feel like, at your will and wish. If you see, oh, this color is not matching, okay, remove it, because it's very less expensive.
Hmm.
So if someone is telling that, don't consider me as a wallpaper,
Hmm.
that
Okay.
means I'm of some value. I'm not a wallpaper.
Yeah.
Nice? Right.
Got it.
Got it. So how's things? How's life? Anything worth mentioning? Arundhati Roktima. So night when I could see your name, wow, I was excited. Whoa, I'm going to talk to my favorite learner.
Yeah. Hmm.
So how's things? How's life? How's school?
Yeah, school, they're going to start next week, but I've been trying to get your session for a very long time,
I
but they're
know.
always in the morning. And now my vacations are going on, so I have become a night owl and I wake up at 9. And your sessions, they're just in like 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8. Why?
See what happened? What happened? Maybe 1 month back, you had a session with my wife,
Yeah.
Sherin ma'am, and she had to cancel that. That day she was traveling, and she was in the bus. So I think you had a session at 2 to 2:30, and
Hmm.
then you had booked two to 2:15. So I was calling her and updating, say what's happening, what's happening, can you attend the session? And we made a deal. I told her, if you can't make it, I'll do one thing, I'll take the session.
Okay.
I have her login ID and all, So I said I log in your name, and I don't want Arundhati to miss the session.
Yeah.
So, but somehow she said, no, I'll reach at 1:30, I'll reach at 1:45. But unfortunately, she could not make it, and she had to cancel the session. And I think you got it reassigned to someone else.
I think so. I did. And lately, she also is not opening her slots. I couldn't find any.
Now,
What?
now she took off. She's on a sabbatical leave. Now she's doing some course in Hyderabad. Hyderabad. There's
Wow.
a there's a university called English as a Foreign Language University, IFLU, which is one of the top universities in our country, in India, to learn English.
Okay.
If you have any plans, you should go to Hyderabad. Getting admission is very tough. Like JEE, you have to write, like, getting into IITs is difficult. Similarly, getting into IFLO is difficult.
Okay.
Right? Right. So, what's the plan? Otherwise, how's school going on? How's teachers, new teachers? No, you haven't yet started the classes.
No, we just had a 1 month session in
Ah,
April, and now again we are going to start with our school on 19th of June.
19th of June.
Yes.
Right. Today's topic is, if you own a hotel.
Yeah.
What's the difference between a hotel and a restaurant?
To be honest, I really don't know. Maybe a hotel is
Give
a
a
place.
guess. Give a wild guess.
So restaurant, I think, is mainly for food, but in hotels we can also like stay there. Is that it?
Yes, of course, you are right. 100 out of 100. So in a restaurant, you can go eat food and then come out. And
Yeah.
in a hotel, you can stay overnight. The same time you can eat, you can have food in your room, you can go to restaurants.
Oh.
Well, well done. Have you heard about five-star hotel, three-star hotel, seven-star hotel? Who gives these stars?
So
See,
I think
in
stars.
Clapingo, you can see some stars for the coaches: five-star coach, four-star coach, three-star coach, and some learners. Arundhati Roktima, five-star learner, four-star learner. So, what do you mean by this star rating of hotels? What is a
Hmm,
five-star hotel and a seven-star hotel? And do you have eight-star? Do you have nine-star? Do you have 10-star?
hmm. I have heard of five-star hotels,
Hmm,
but I'm not
hmm.
sure if there are like seven, eight, nine stars. But these stars,
What is the stars indicate?
maybe like reviews and how much people.
Not reviews, the facilities, the amenities they offer in such hotels. Five-star will have a set of amenities. Like they will have swimming pools, they will have community hall, they will meeting places, and almost all the rooms will be air conditioned. They will have a coffee bar. You have several separate restaurants, and they will have a pickup and drop facility from the airport, and they have internet booking, they have a concierge, they have a lounge, a lot of facility. Five
Hmm.
star, five star. Maybe they have a gym, they have a tennis court, they have a ping pong, like a table tennis court, they have a gym, they have jacuzzi.
Hmm.
Now we have seven-star. Can you tell me any five-star hotels in India?
Maybe the Taj Hotel. But
Taj Commonwealth, Taj is five-star. ITC Chola by Welcome Group is Oberoi. Yeah, Oberoi is five-star. Hilton is Four
Hmm.
Seasons is five-star. Now
Oh.
coming to seven-star, same thing, same thing. In seven-star, there will be suites. More rooms will be independent suites. We call it as suites.
Yeah.
There will be one drawing room, there will be a bedroom and attached bathrooms, all air conditioned.
Hmm.
And what will be the expense? What will be a daily rate of a seven-star hotel?
It would
Just give a guess.
be more than the
Give a
five
guess.
one. Maybe like 15,000 a day.
You got it. You got it. So when are you going to stay in a seven-star hotel?
Not
Yeah.
yet. But maybe.
Once you become, you generate more revenue from your YouTube. You are a YouTuber. You makes millions of dollars now. No, you can stay in Hilton. You can stay in Radisson Blue. You can
Oh.
stay in Oberoi hotels.
Hmm.
All four seasons. Do
Yeah.
you have you heard about 10-star hotel? We have in the world one 10-star hotel.
Oh.
Maybe one room will be 50,000, 60,000 a day. Have you heard about Burj Khalifa, the
Yeah.
building, the tallest building in Abu Dhabi?
Mm-hmm.
There are hotels there and they are 10-star.
Wow.
Only Sachin Tendulkar can go there. Only our Bollywood celebrities can go there.
Hmm.
But one day you will go there.
Who knows?
Who knows?
Hmm.
So if you own a hotel, will it be a three-star? Just imagine you have a lot of money, you want to invest that money. So will it be a three-star? You will start from a humble beginning or directly five-star, Roktima Associates or Roktima International. Or what will be the name of that hotel?
So I think I could go for the Roktima Associates one. That sounds nice.
Really? But that's like a business or office name, like a chartered accountant or Roktima International. No, international. You will have international, I guess.
Yeah,
right?
but to be honest, I think that if I open a restaurant, realistically speaking, I would keep it like 4-star restaurant, to be honest. And if you name it Roktima International, wouldn't that be
Oh,
con?
restaurants, there won't be an international. There should be a hotel. Then it can be international or Ruktima Palace.
That's
Huh?
a good,
Ruktima
one.
Palace.
That's a good
Right. So
one.
it will be like a 4-star, 3-star, 5-star. So what all facilities you will offer in that hotel?
Of course, rooms.
Oh, good rooms, okay, good rooms, good managers, good cooks, good chefs, good kitchen, good restaurant. Everything will be the perfect. And there
Yeah.
will be a dance bar, dance parlor. You can have dance, or you can bring dancers from all over the world, musicians from the all over the world. So evening you can have like something like Sangeet or some variety entertainments. No, you
Hmm?
can, because most of your guests will be like international. They are executive. They want to unwind. They are
Hmm.
under tremendous stress. They are on a business trip, business
Yep.
tour. So they can unwind. And food. And will you have only Indian food or any other multi cuisine restaurants? Okay, here you will get Korean food, you'll get Chinese food, this is Indian food, this is South Indian food, this is continental restaurant. 5 restaurants.
Oh.
When you go to a restaurant, Raktima, do you give any tips to the waiter?
Sometimes we do, but sometimes
Why?
we
Why
don't.
you tips?
We give tips for the good service from the waiter.
Otherwise, also they will serve you. You are paying for that. No, they give you the bill and you pay 2,000, 3,000 rupees. And after that, again, you pay 100, 230, 300 rupees. And what is tip?
Tip is just like an extra money
Extra
that's
money.
not included in a salary.
TIPS. Tips. Okay, take these tips. Two, ensure prompt service.
Hmm.
Tips, the full form of tips is to
Hmm.
ensure prompt service. They will
Okay.
be very prompt. Next time when they see, oh, Raktima, she gave me 300 bucks tips. So this time I'm going to serve her, treat her like a royal guest. You will
Hmm.
be treated as a royal guest. The minute you look at him, he will come running. Hey, ma'am, would you like to have what? Have some soups? You have some desserts? Shall I bring the main course?
Yeah.
You have such experience. Someone is caring you so much. they
Hmm.
will they will come running to you because you pay in America. Here we pay sometime 10 rupees. You had something, the bill was like 590, you pay 600,
Hmm.
10 rupees tip.
Yeah.
America, it won't they won't accept that.
Hmm.
15% tip.
Wow.
Really, I'm telling you. If you eat for 1,000 rupees, you have to pay around 200, 250 rupees to 15% minimum. You can pay 20, 25.
Wow.
It's a rule like. What they
Hmm.
do is they will bring you the bill, and before punching your card, you have to write, oh, 2,000
Hmm.
plus 300, 2,300, 15%.
My God.
You will be traveling in future a lot. You will come across all these 5-star hotel, 3-star hotel, 7-star hotel tips. And do
Yeah.
are you comfortable booking hotels online? What are the platforms available? Make my trip, book
Yeah.
my trip, Ixigo. Are you okay? Are you comfortable booking your hotels?
Sometimes we do, but that is like a rare occasion because usually you can just go up to the restaurant and do the booking then and there.
Mm. Wow. So if you want to set up a hotel in India, which will be the best location, ideal location to set up a 5-star hotel, Rotima Palace?
Hmm. I would say Delhi. because in Delhi, people from different places from India come there to for jobs maybe or some work, and they need a place to stay there, and that could be a really good place in business point of view.
So who will be your manager? He will be a qualified MBA guy from IIM's Indian Institute of Management, or he will be a hotel management guy, or you will hire someone experienced, highly experienced from hotels like Taj, Hilton, Oberoi, or Radisson. You will employ someone or someone who is fresher, who just got an MBA degree. IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Lucknow, IIM, or how do you manage? Will you
Hmm.
engage some experienced guys, good brains, or will you airlift someone from abroad? Hmm.
Now, I would like to hire an experienced person so that we can run the business well. I think take up an experienced person.
Have you heard about any? Can you tell? Like, have you heard about Indra Nui, Pepsi CEO?
Oh, not yet.
Have you heard about Ram Kripa Anandan?
Oh, who is he?
Yeah, I'd give you the name, note it down, and just Google Ram Kripa Anandan. She is the chief designer. She's a mechanical engineer.
Hmm.
She is a mechanical engineer from BITS Pilani. Have you heard about BITS Pilani?
Not yet.
BITS Pilani. Yeah, it's like an IIT. It's one of the highest graded institutes for engineering. She did mechanical engineering. Mostly ladies, they desist. They don't like to do mechanical engineering. She did mechanical engineering from Mumbai IIT. She did masters in design, and she is the chief designer in Mahindra and Mahindra. All the new vehicles are designed by Ram Kripa Anand. There
Wow.
are lots and lots of lady entrepreneurs in India. You
Yeah.
could be the one in the new generation Z.
Yeah. Hmm.
You like business? You want to be a business? You want to have a startup or to own a startup, or you want to work?
I just want to work a job.
You want to be a monthly salary paid
Yeah.
worker.